Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2, this time to a Mercedes Viano 2019. Customer, obvious thing, what about his key getting cloned? So we fit this very simple, snazzy bit of kit. How it basically works is someone clones your keys, unlocks the vehicle, tries to start it. This is what will happen. Start it up. It will start as soon as they select a gear. For example, the vehicle was just stalled. If you then try and re-crank, it won't start. Okay? So now every time the customer gets in, really simple procedure, ignition on, hit a sequence of buttons on here. We've selected this button here, which is straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4. The handbrake light will flash twice. There you go. Tell us the code is correct. Put your foot on the brake, start it, select a gear. See, this time it doesn't stall. Okay? Very straightforward. Very easy to use. Okay. Customer now takes his car for a service, so he takes it for a car wash, doesn't want to disclose the code. So on this system here, you can place it into value mode. The way you do that is ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Handbrake light will flash twice. There you go. And now you hit the mute button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The handbrake light will flash 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now in valet mode, which means I can start it as many times as I want. As long as I don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, it won't jump out of valet mode into ghost mode, which means they can put their diagnostic machine in, wash it, move it, and so forth. When you receive the vehicle, basically just turn the ignition on, insert your code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start it up. When you then turn it off, it will then become protected after 3 seconds. So if I now turn on the ignition, try and start it, ignition on, start, select a gear, there you go, vehicle stalled, and won't crank. There you go, see, it won't crank. Okay. Say for example, now someone's seen the code and you want to be able to change the code. So how you change this is also very simple. Ignition on, insert your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. There you go. Then put your foot all the way down the accelerator and hold it. Insert the same code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've done that, the handbrake light will start to flash. There you go. It's now in learn mode. So we're going to teach it a new code. And the way you do that is there are pre-selected buttons here that sit on the network. And if they're going to work, you basically push the button. As you push it, you'll see the handbrake light flash. So I know the button, this one will work. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to push it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give me 3 flashes. And now it's going to look for exactly the same code again. So I'm going to repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's correct, it's going to give me 2 flashes. Let's see if that's gone in now. So if I now turn off the ignition, turn on the ignition, try the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. There you go, learnt the new code. Start it up, put it in gear. There you go, we've changed the new code. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. Repeat it again, 0208 906 0478. Thanks for watching, bye bye.